Late at night, beneath the bare branches of ancient trees, alone bear meandered through the moonlit forest. The air was filled with the sweet fragrances of flowers and the soft hum of bees seeking nectar. In a small clearing, a group of friends gathered to write and share stories by the flickering light of a campfire. As they passed around a piece of parchment, each person added their own thoughts and creativity. The tranquillity of the night was occasionally interrupted by the distant howl of a wolf or the snap of a branch, reminding them of the wilderness surrounding them. Despite the darkness, a sense of peace prevailed, and a friend marveled at the beauty of nature. Two shooting stars stretched across the sky, and the friends took a moment to simply be present, appreciating the simple joy of being together here and feeling a connection to the world around them. As the night wore on, they reluctantly decided to return to their camp, vowing to explore more of the enchanting forest on morrow. Thank you.